I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down.
What's up, y'all? Just wanted to show you a little peep here so you can see the steam coming from that bad buddy. Well, maybe I ain't got it right. There we go. That's the camera. Okay, they ready. They ready. Let me see if I can sit down here. Oh, shit. Boom. So good. Coming straight from my kitchen. My truck kitchen. Coming straight from my truck kitchen. Sister girl about to sit back here and eat her food. So we having what I call a little baked chicken, but I like all these juices. So what's in this juice is red bell peppers, green bell peppers, cilantro, garlic, onions, red peppers, and I like to mix it with my food. So y'all know when I eat this right, I'm gonna be passed out, so don't judge me, because I'm definitely gonna pass out after this. Okay. Let's see what I done cook. Let's see what I done cook. Oh, and it's hot. It just came out. It's still steaming. Now, I seasoned the meat before I left home. So when I got here on the truck, all I had to do is just put it in my cooker. Let's try it. I don't need no more salt. I don't need no more pepper. Like I say, they've been sitting in seasoning since Sunday, since I left. Now this is Uncle Ben's fried rice. But I always put my own umph in it. Sometimes I put peas in it. Sometimes I put carrots in it to make it something like Chinese fried rice. And I don't do fried on here. I can fry chicken on here, but I prefer not to. But I think this is gonna be a good recipe. If you out there on the road and you're looking for ideas of what to cook, better check out the girl's channel. Now this is the extra sweet, pure leaf sweet tea. Yeah, I'm thirsty. I'm going back in. Y'all look, I ain't close my eye. So in this truck here, this is a Cascadia, has a little sitting area here. And I just tried it out for today. But I'm trying to not use so much salt. So it sucks, but other substitutes are out there. Pink salt, Mrs. Dash. So I use other seasonings other than salt. This chicken is the bomb. So, this took about an hour to cook. Probably less than that. I came in here and I prepared and I put it on. I went and took a shower, left it on while I was cooked. I let it cook by itself. And when I came back, it was done. So I was in the shower probably an hour. I was in the shower, yeah, probably an hour. So it cooked. And it probably was done before that hour because the meat is falling off the bone now. So y'all, I'm hungry. Sister been hustling all day in Oklahoma. And this is her first real meal that she didn't even have to go into the truck stop and get. This pack of meat cost me $4. So $5 for how many wings I got? 6 wings. That was $6. $1 wing. Walmart. Now this rice, I think was like $2 in China. We're just gonna say it's $2. So we looking at $8. Right? But guess what? I got something to eat for tomorrow. Now if I had went in the truck stop, what the wings is now? About $8 for 5. I'm already at $8. I ain't putting no sides on it or nothing. But give me a minute with the bone. Okay. I'm back. So, I'm telling you, start cooking in your truck. Your girl gonna be coming up with these meals. Y'all better be following them. I go to Walmart. I'll probably spend about $50. If I spend $100, it'll last me 2 or 3 weeks in this truck. I kid you not. And that's what giving drinks, meat, stuff to go with my meals. But I'll leave a link down below of all the stuff that it took me to make this meal. So oh, that's that gristle. You gotta be country to know about that. And then I put all them vegetables in that rice. Man, let me lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Now I had my window open earlier, but it's still open. Oh, that extra sweet tea hitting them different. It's hitting different, y'all. The day is hitting different. Maybe because I'm hungry. Y'all gotta try this. You gotta try this. Now this is what you call a meal. That's what you call a meal. And it's cooked in my very own truck. Now I threw them peppers in there. And I'm really not a spicy person. But if you like hot stuff, now this little thing here, I got that at the truck stop. But don't make the same mistake I did. Amazon got it for about $6, $7 cheaper. Now, I got this stuff probably a year ago. And I use it to bake and boil in. And it does a really good job of cooking. It's only one setting. It's only one setting. But high is really not high. So, but I got a surprise coming next week. I'm waiting on it to come. Y'all see that? This is good. Well, thank y'all for y'all support. I couldn't even talk to y'all. I'm so good. Bird's taking care of this one. Okay. I'm back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. I gotta go, y'all, because I gotta enjoy the rest of that. And I don't want y'all watching me. That's what you call them. That's what you call them. I'm stopping it now. I'm stopping. All right. I'm out of here. Peace.